Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant error code 5. And if you want to fix it, it's easy. First just type here services, scroll down until you find here VGC. Right click on VGC and then click properties. You will find it like that. Make it automatic, click apply and OK, and after that type here CMD. And now right click on it, click run as administrator. And now once you're here, first just type niche winsock reset, and just type it like that and then click enter. And after that type ipconfig slash flash DNS, and that's it. Enter again, and now close this window and restart your PC. Your problem must be fixed. Please don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.